ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল শিক্ষা নিবে। আমি চলে এসেছি আজকের ইইজি 4 অর্থাৎ বিডিপি ইংলিশ অনার্সের 4th পেপারের 11 তারিখ পাবলিশ হওয়া কোশ্চেন ব্যাংকের অ্যান্সারগুলো নিয়ে। 1 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, হু ওয়াজ commented as mankind decision to come out of itself imposed immaturity? Answer: Immanuel Kant. 2. How is the age of Pope popularly known? Answer: Augustine Age. 3. The Augustine Age comprises the region of 3 English monarchs. Who are they? Answer: William of Orange, Mary Queen. 4. Who is the writer of non-verb organ new method? Francis Bacon. 5. Who would you consider to be a pioneering figure of the Enlightenment in Britain? Answer: Thomas Hobbes. 6 নম্বর, which age is called as age of prose and reason? Answer: Augustine age by 18th century. 7. Who is best known for his work Leviathan? Answer: Thomas Hobbes. 8. Why the word Augustine the been applied to the age of Pope? Answer: Augustine was applied as a term of high praise because the age of Augustine as the golden age of Latin literature, so the age of Pope was the golden age of English literature. 9. Who has remarks as the enliven morality with wit add to temper wit with morality? Answer: Richard Steele. 10. What is the original title of the text of Virtua Rewarded? Answer: Pamela. 11. Which of the following poem is an attempt to vindicate the ways of God to man? A. Veritation of Milton attempt the Paradise Lost to justify the way of God to man? Answer: The Essay of Man. 12. Who is the baron of the poem The Rape of Lock? Answer: Lord Petre. 13. Who is assigned as a character of Umbrella Furor is a text rap of the lock? Answer: Belinda. 14. Which episode of the rape of the lock is compared with the putting of the amour of an epic hero? Answer: Toilet Skin. 15. What is the symbolical meaning of the passage of time as discussed in James Thomas' Spring Season? Answer: Stage of human life. 16. Which of the following group Thomas Collins Gray Cropper belong to? Answer: Pursuers of romantic poetry. 17. What is a common thing in Milton's Lycidas, Celis, Adonias, and Tenicons, a memoriam, and Thomas Gray elegy written in a country church? Answer: all are elegies. 18. What is the most common theme of the Graveyard One School of Poetry? Answer: death. 19. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem Elegy written in a country churches? Answer: lembic pentameter with above alternate rhyme scheme. 20. In which of the category would you put Swift Gulliver's Travel? Answer: Travelogue. 21. How many voices are initiated by Gulliver by Gulliver's Travels? Answer: 4. 22. Who is Man Friday in Robinson Crusoe? Answer: Slap of Robinson Crusoe. 23. What is the secondary title of the Stoops of Conquer? Answer: The Mistake of a Night. 24. Goldsmith used a comedy manners reserved mostly around whom? Answer: young Marlowe. 25. What does Thomas serves in the play The Rivals? Answer: Sir Anthony. 26. Who is leader's keeper? Answer: Lucy. 27. Who is foil character to Lydia the play The Rivals? Answer, Julia. 28. What does Johnson's phrase about Shakespeare fatal Cleopatra refer to? Answer, quick will. 29. Hair files of pines extend their shining roads, purps, powder, pathos, Bibles, violet dukes. What is the meaning of the term violet dukes here? Answer, love letter. 30. Nature, like liberty, is but restrained by the same laws which first herself ordained. From where these lines are quoted? Answer, an essay on Citizen. 31. The French Revolution took place in the year. Answer, 1789. 32. Who is leading figure of the French Enlightenment? Answer, D. Alembert. 33. Who is the writer of essay concerning human understanding? Answer, John Locke. 34. Who is the writer of advancement of learning? Person of science? Answer, Francis Bacon. 35. Who has coined the dictum I think therefore I am? Answer, René Descartes. 36. John Locke advocated religious tolerance in his dash letter concerning tolerance. 37. Who has initiated the social contract theory of power? Answer, Thomas Hobbes. 38. In which work Immanuel Kant challenged the limits of human knowledge with the help of what the describes as transcendental reason? Answer, Critique of Pure Reason. 39. Manfred as a character appear in the novel of? Answer, Robinson Crusoe. 40. Whose name is associated with the impersonal theory of poetry? Answer, T.S. Eliot. 41. What is the seminal work on the theory of the novel published in the year 1957? Answer, In What's the Rise of the Novel, situated in dialogue, Richards and Fielding. 42. Pope's Magnum Opus was the essay on man, philosophical poem written in? Answer, Heroic Couplet. 43. Who requested Pope to write a poem that could generate language and dissolve the social tension? Answer, John Carey. 44. Who is the opinion of the famous line, use of pompous expression from low action is the prevention of the mock epic? Answer, Alexander Pope. 45. Blinda smiled and the world was grey. What is the rhetorical device used here in this line? Answer, hyperbole. 46. Purp, powders, purse, Bibles, violet dukes. Mention the figure of speech used here. Answer, anticlimax বা bathos. 47. Who is the leader of Sims of mentioned in the poem Rape of the Lock? Answer, Ersel. 48. Mention the name of the dog of Blinda. Answer, Shock. 49. In what century in Robinson Crusoe? Answer, 18th century. 50. Who introduced the periodical The Tailor in the year 1709? Answer, Richard Steele. 51. In which periodical Sir Roger and Charles was published? Answer, The Spectator. 52. 52. Who is author of Sort of View, the Impropriety and the Profaneness of the English Stage? Answer, Jerome Collier. 53. Who is the author of the School of Scholars? Answer, Sheridan. 58. The first epilogue of the play of Stoops of Conquer spoken by whom? Answer, Miss Kate Harkets. 59. What is the source of the title of the play The Stoops of Conquer? Answer. John Dryden the Hind and the Partner. 60. Who is in love with Imogen Beverly in the play The Rivals? Answer. Lydia Languis. আজ এই পর্যন্ত। আবার আসবো পরের ভিডিও নিয়ে, অন্য কোনো সাবজেক্ট নিয়ে। বন্ধুরা, ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে লাইক শেয়ার ও কমেন্ট করতে ভুলবেন না এবং চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, আমার পাশের বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করবেন যাতে সমস্ত তথ্য সাহায্য করতে পারি।